Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever had to reschedule a meeting in Outlook because of a last minute change or a double booking, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change the time of an Outlook meeting step by step. It's super simple once you know where to look, so stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll never stress about rescheduling again. Alright, first things first. Open your web browser and head over to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. Click Sign In, then enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, Outlook will land you straight into the mail section by default. Now, to access your meetings, look at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the calendar icon. This switches your view from mail to calendar. If you have tons of meetings, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the event you need. For example, Team Sync or Project Review. Once you spot it, click on the meeting to open its details. Inside the meeting window, look for the edit button or the pencil icon. Go ahead and click that. Now, you'll see options to adjust both the start time and end time using the drop-down menus. Just pick your new time slots that work better for everyone. Before saving, it's a great idea to leave a quick note in the description, something like updated meeting time due to schedule conflict. Then hit Save or Send Update. Outlook will automatically notify all your attendees about the new time. No need to send separate emails. And that's it. Your meeting time is now updated, and Outlook will sync the change across all your devices, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. This tiny trick saves tons of time and avoids confusion when plans shift. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick Outlook and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.